Alright, go.
The dog poop.
We're
Got a
heading,
hit.
Stepped on. Oh!
Got a hit.
we're heading down to the beach. Hopefully it'll be not too. What are you doing, John?
Oh, I'm just topping off the air in my tires. I got this really cool thing. That's put on.
Did Harvey get a new car? He must have got a new car since the last time I saw him. Beautiful down here. I think you're overdressed, Dave. I got gloves on and it's warm. It's beautiful. It's just a little cloudy and wow, I'm going to take off my gloves.
I don't know if I need this either.
Yeah, well, maybe when it gets, looks like it's trying to clear up. More later. Okay, we're off. Here I am. Here we are on the boardwalk. There's Bazooka Joe up there. Cloudy, a little cold, but beautiful.
One.
Okay, we're on Hurricane Alley, Dave likes to call it.
Where's that?
Crown Point.
Yeah?
Look at how smooth and quiet it is. There's downtown.
Oh, yeah. Whoa, there he's learning. Almost ran that kid over.
You have to be careful.
You have to what?
Be careful.
Behave myself?
What was the saying you said earlier?
Flying by the seat of my pants?
You gotta fly by the seat of your pants.
What does that mean, Carol?
You gotta do what you gotta do.
We're on our last leg here.
Have you ever tasted that?
No, I just turned it on. The last leg. Coming in for a landing. There's the car.
I don't know how come this way is shorter than the other way.
No, it can't be shorter.
It says 9.58 and the time before we went the other way it said 10.
All right, readers, please write in and tell Carol why it's shorter one direction than the other.
Wind.
Huh?
Wind.
Because of the wind? Huh.
1 hour and 9 minutes.
Huh.
1 hour and 10 minutes. Bye now. Bye, Dave. Cut, Dave. Stop it, Dave. Stop. I'm not gonna fall over.
Are you sure? I'm gonna keep it running just in case.